This is Ngabo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at Lucas Muripe Stadium. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, Royal AM North. My brother, what's your name? Where do you come from?
My name is Muraro Sadike. I'm from Venda, but currently I'm here in Pretoria. I stay in Pretoria West.
Wonderful. How do you feel about the game tonight?
The game tonight was very nice, and it's a good spectacle for the fans. We really enjoyed being here. Like Mamelodi Sundowns has been showing us how to play good football.
Yeah.
And
As a Pagania, you respect them.
I respect them,
Yeah,
but
that's a good thing.
it doesn't mean that I'm writing off my team.
Yeah.
My team currently is doing well, which I'm ready for
the final.
Sundowns
Yeah.
on the first. We'll meet in Bombela.
Yeah.
Yes.
So do you think you're gonna beat them in Bombay?
Yes, I think we're gonna beat them because of I looked at the tactics that Rulani used, that he usually used,
Yeah.
and versus what Pirates use. Rulani use mostly Pep Guardiola's tactics.
Yeah.
And if you have a team that is fast wingers and everything,
You can. Yeah,
that tactic, no,
beat
it doesn't
them.
work.
Yeah.
We're going to beat them.
So let's hope so. And then, who was your man of the match tonight?
The man of the match tonight, I can say, there's a
lot
lot,
of them,
man. Yeah, they were playing good football.
The problem with Sundowns, has got a lot of quality, so that's why it's
Yes.
difficult for you to can pinpoint one person. Yeah.
Exactly, because I saw even Tabumbule, he played well,
Yeah.
but it's just that towards the end he got substituted.
Exactly.
But,
Yeah.
but as the team, as the whole team,
Yeah.
they
Yeah.
play good football.
Yeah.
They play good football, and I'm happy, and I like
Yeah.
the kind of football that they play,
Yeah.
and it's gonna give us a good game. on
And they're
the first.
changing. Did you see that they're changing their squad week in, week out, and they are winning?
They are winning.
Yeah.
It's true, because today, as soon as I see Onyango being the goalkeeper, I know that the whole squad,
Whole squad will change, yeah.
will change.
Yeah.
But you can see the quality. Let's not
best,
shy.
yeah.
I'm a Buccaneer, but let's not shy away from seeing the
that,
quality.
yeah.
The quality is there.
As a Buccaneer, how do you feel about Lodge's departure from your team?
Personally, I was very sad about him leaving, but I could see that because of he was like the top player. As soon as he left, other players
Started shining.
they started shining.
Yeah, like
sometimes
Mfuke
it's like
and-
that.
Yeah.
Yeah, once Messi leaves, another player comes in,
Exactly.
and then yes.
Yeah.
But I think it's a good thing for Pirates.
But
because
you-
I think it was a too
Superstar,
much.
too
Yes,
much,
yeah.
But you're not bitter about that. Eh?
No. Because of when you work, sometimes
Yeah.
if you get a good opportunity,
You must take it.
exactly.
No, that's true.
We might say, hey, no, you know what, Lodge left, wara, but
Yeah, but he must feed his family.
he must
also.
feed his family.
Exactly.
If
And-
he's getting
and-
paid 50,000,
And exactly.
Yeah.
You know what surprises me is that at Pirates lately, he was getting more injuries,
yes.
and then I don't know if it was the tactics for you to release him or what, but
No, I think it was, there's a lot of personal issues
yeah.
that was affecting him. And I think it also affected other players in a sense of if a player is not playing, not training enough days, and all of a sudden, because of he's a superstar, come
Yeah.
Saturday, he's in the starting 11,
Yeah,
it hits other players hard.
too much. Yeah,
Too
no,
much.
true.
Hence, once his departure, and then everyone started
playing. Yeah.
Yeah,
Even the boy Mfuke, people they thought maybe he won't feel his shoes, and now he's playing 90 minutes and he's playing very well.
it's Mufukeng,
Yeah.
Tito,
Yeah.
Dlamini, Mabasa,
Yeah.
there's Makaula. Everyone is stepping up.
No, it's true. Thank you very
Yes.
much, my brother.
All right.
All
Thank
the
you very
best on
much.
the Network Cup. Eh?
Yes.
Each other.
We'll meet in Bombela, bro.
Each other.
Hola.
So.
Thank you.